How to reduce photo size without losing its quality on iPhone. That has a very big size. Let's take a look at the size of this photo. Is 12 MP, 1.1 megabytes. The photo size is a bit big. So to reduce this size of this photo without losing its quality, all you have to do, guys, is very simple. Go to your app store. On your app store, locate and type in this photo compress. This is the app you want to install. Once you install this app on your device, tap on it to open it. Tap on allow. Now tap on this button, accept and continue. Now it comes up like this, then allow. Now it comes up like this. Now to add any photo to this, go ahead and tap on this plus button. Doing so, allow full access. Now it comes up like this, then locate that particular photo I share with you in the beginning of this video, which is this one. Then tap on add. Once you tap on add, it comes up here. You have it image quality 50%, reduce size 50%. So you can increase the image quality to suit you. Don't forget that the image original size is 1.2 megabytes and estimated size now is around 312 kilobytes. So you can increase it, you can as well reduce it. You have option here to reduce and as well reduce. So let's make it 50% as recommended by the apps, which is going to help us keep the quality of this image. Now tap on continue button. Let's tap on preview first. You see we've previewed it. If you like it the way it is, then tap on compressed. So this will compress this photo. Now tap back, tap on continue button. Once tap on continue button, you can see that photo compressed successfully. Now you have the option here, delete original or finish. So let's tap on finished. Once tap on finish, that has been finished. Now let's go to our photo apps and see this photo. Tap on the photo apps again. Now scroll down to the base. Now here you have the compressed photo. Tap on it. Here you have it here. Let's scroll up. You can see that the size of this photo has reduced to 3 MP, which is 430 kilobytes compared to the original size. Let's locate the original size of this photo. As I explained in this video, you can see that the original size is 1.2 megabytes and 12 MP. So guys, this app is a very good app that will help you compress your photo as well maintain the original quality of that photo. If you get this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.